Florida sheriffs were on the lookout for a vehicle whose passengers were suspected of retail theft. When an officer conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle, he observed the back passenger lying down on the seat in an attempt to conceal herself.
I got it.
Turn off the car. Turn it off. Huh? Who's this? Yeah, you the one that just grabbed? Get out.
I didn't just got grabbed.
Huh?
I didn't just get grabbed.
Hop out of the car.
No.
I got your wallet and your ID, so get out of the car.
No, it's not. I'm not. It's not me.
Get out of the car right now.
No. No.
Ma'am, do you want her to get in trouble in this car to get seized?
Jamie.
No,
please.
I already have your ID and you're on camera. Let's go.
Am I going to jail?
Huh?
Am I going
Depends
to
if
jail?
I was you cooperate. And what happened?
No, you're going to take me to jail.
I got your description. I could take you in jail right now.
Ash, if you cooperate,
Get out.
then you didn't
Let's go.
cooperate.
No, he's going to take me to jail.
Let's
Why
go.
not, dude?
Jamie.
Come on, let's go.
Stop, Ash.
Jamie.
Jamie. Ash, stop.
Jamie, don't touch
Get
her,
out of
please.
the
Please,
car.
I'll get
Get
up
on
right
the
now.
ground.
Yes,
Get
we
on
will.
the ground right now.
Yes, we will.
Get on the ground.
Ash, stop.
Get on the ground.
Stop.
Get on the ground.
I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Go for it. We got another unit coming. The passenger took off running. It's heading eastbound on Beacon Woods. You stay right here. Run into the U-Haul parking lot.
Go for it. Copy. Running in the U-Haul parking lot. Are you 1031?
Go for a black shirt, gray sweatpants right there on the sidewalk.
George Van Travel. Go for it. She's right here in the intersection at 19.
Don't now.
Please.
Hands on your back. Hands on your back.
Please.
Hard.
Please.
Where's the driver's seat?
Yeah. She's parked right there.
In his hurried bid to apprehend the suspect, the officer forgot to put his vehicle in park, and it unsurprisingly rolled back and hit a civilian vehicle.
I got it. Ocean 2. Ocean 2, you got her, we're in front of the wood spring seats.
Ocean Drive. Copy. You have her.
Yeah. I couldn't get on there. There was so much traffic, man. She's running. Thought she was going to get plowed.
I copy.
Get up. Yep. Yep. I'll get it.
Roll 42, is there another subject?
Ouch.
Call for us 54. She's still pulling over down the road.
My...
Scoot over.
Where do you think you were going running that stuff?
You see me kind of giggle?
Well, I don't... So, where'd you come from? Because didn't you say 19?
I was on a petty theft with Ramos. I had Florian called, got another one running. I saw the car do a U-E, so I did a U-E, pulled it over. Walked up to the car. She was in the backseat laying down. Opened the back door. She scooted over, and every time I tried to walk around the car, she'd get out.
Is that
So when I got around the back,
is that your suspect that gets on the retail theft? We have no idea yet.
no shit, it's her for sure.
All right, where do you want me to deal with her?
You want to bring it right to Walmart for me?
I can't hear them. Oh.
It was damage control time. It is not unusual for civilians to sue the law enforcement for making the silliest of errors on duty, and victims often go all in expecting the big payout.
You got something?
I got her. His car went into reverse.
Oh, that sucks.
He didn't put it in park, so he's... But I don't know what you guys... I have your...
All right, you want to put him in my car?
It's a female, yeah, but I mean,
That's
what,
fine.
Carmen's going to have to deal with that?
Yeah, but where is the fuck? Oh, there they are. Throw them on! It's kind of a cool back window.
Yeah, no. That is really. What's up?
His cruiser reversed and...
The screen gets right this way. He got him. Then back this way, just right through all the cars. I don't even know how the hell she to get hit. So I popped it in park right here when I thought. ran after a tackler over there in the grass. Apparently, car pulled back and hit this lady.
So you're not even a part of the whole. Okay.
I got the lady for the shoplifting.
Oh Jesus! What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley what?
My name came back.
Yeah, you're.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. So,
Yeah, you're. It's good.
is he gonna take me to jail?
I have no idea what's going on. He just put you in the back of my car, so.
I can't breathe.
I mean, you can't breathe. You're talking.
Huh?
You're talking.
I mean, I'm having trouble breathing.
Probably because you just got done running across traffic.
What's happening with my sister-in-law? She has nothing, right?
I have no idea, man.
Huh?
I have no idea.
We didn't have any warrants or anything. She has her driver's license.
Drinking some water is the smartest way to cool down. But in case that doesn't work, you can always try to shut out the nuisance.
They took her out, tell me if she has something wrong.
Where's the car that they did the traffic stop?
Someone else is in there down there.
Oh, okay.
I told her don't leave. That's not good to get her because I thought she was going to run over.
All right, so Girardi has her.
Yes.
I'm going to take this up for you. Huh? No, I'm taking it. I got it. So I'm going to take this over here so you can deal with this. Since you and I, started this. Otherwise, I'd ask you guys to, but, I was part of this.
I'm going to have you move over here then.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm going to deal with that. She's got no damage left.
Could technically mark the move.
She's got no damage other than this.
What's going on?
Well, right now we're currently investigating.
About me?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is it?
Go ahead, bud.
I'm not answering any
Yeah, I
more
got her cell
questions.
phone too.
So, you stop asking, okay?
So were you right behind me and you were kind of just
No,
stuck
I was
there when
at
I got
a
out?
distance.
Yeah.
I was not at a
One
distance, and I
two,
saw it
one
rolling.
five,
I thought somebody
section.
was in the car, so I honked the horn. And then it just kept going, and I was like, oh!
So sorry about that.
I saw you on her, so I thought you were trying to resuscitate her. And then all of a sudden I saw the vehicle and ripped back up, and I was like, oh my God!
It must have, when I hit the park, because these are buttons on the
Yeah,
dash, I hit the
yeah.
park and since it was still moving,
Yeah.
it must have just kept going.
Oh my God!
What's your, one of
I
those?
never get pulled over
Well,
by you
yeah.
guys.
You're not pulled over now either.
Oh,
This
I
is my
know.
fault. Hold on. Yeah.
That's one problem settled. Meanwhile, the elderly suspect couldn't keep quiet and was ready to snitch on all the drug dealers in her contacts. The only problem was that the officers couldn't seem less interested.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm going to talk. My phone got the biggest drug dealers around here, bro.
Okay, well, we'll address that. Like I said, I'm literally just a backup deputy, so you're just in my car right now, so I don't know what...
But I know. I got the biggest ones in Pasco County. Ones that she's been trying to catch in my phone.
Okay.
So I'm going to cooperate.
Okay, well, when...
And I know this one I'm bad, dude. Right here in Port Richey.
Okay, well...
Chatham, Sterling. I know some ladies on here that's still in fact big dude. I'm talking about bundles, packages.
Okay. Well, when Corporal Ramos is probably going to want me to bring you back over to Walmart, you can tell him all that because he's lead on it, so he's probably going to want to hear it, and then he can work with you. I'm just a backup deputy. You're just in my car.
If I show him the proof and stuff, you think it'll work?
I have no idea. I can't answer that. I don't want to put...
I mean, well, my name came back good, right?
You don't have any warrants.
Okay, I'm going to work with y'all, dude. He just got a package the other day, 4 kilos. That's not even half of it.
Okay.
And he's right there on Sterling. His name's Twan. What the fuck is his name? It doesn't matter. I got like 10 dealers in my phone, dude. And they all sell.
Okay.
That
All right. Well, hang tight, and we'll get you.
I can call him right in front of you.
I mean, I'll get with Ramos here in a minute. All right.
Yep.
All right. We're gonna go back over to the traffic stop. Is that all right?
Where's that at?
Just right there.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah. Got him with my sister-in-law.
He's still over there. So I don't.
All right. You are Ashley.
Yes, sir.
Ashley, are you okay? Do you need medical attention?
Yes, sir.
I already tackled you like John Lynch on the Bucks.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay. You're putting up a good run in slides.
Yeah, I'm good.
Not bad. All right. I'm going to read you something real quick. You're detained, okay? All right. You ready? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand you have the right to have it explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to me right now. Having these rights in mind, you
No,
wish to
I
talk to me.
won't
Okay. So, you had a mask on in the store, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was you taking the underwear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you doing that for?
Just for my habit.
Okay, what's your habit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you trade that with people? Like, you got a dealer that you trade that with? What is it?
And I know, in my cell phone that they got, I know about 6 of them drug dealers that live in Port Out.
Yeah, they do have your phone. I'm going to make sure you get that. I'm going to make sure you get your bag, okay? Because I know they have all that. I'm definitely not going to keep that from you. But yeah, I mean, so you basically, what'd you steal in there?
2 packs of underwear and a socks.
It was, I think, wife beaters?
Yeah.
Okay. And where did you put those? Where'd you conceal them?
I think it was in the back.
Your bag? Your bag? The white bag?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then, yeah, when they stopped you in your car, what'd you do?
Right.
How come?
I'm scared.
Gotcha. Didn't want to go to jail?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This deputy's going to talk to you now, okay? He wants to talk to you real quick about some stuff, and then we're going to talk, okay? Because I know you said that you have some info.
Is not gonna be okay?
I'll talk to you. I'm saying I'll talk to you.
Yes, sir.
I'm not the guy that's going to get you out of trouble, but I know the people that can get you out of trouble. So talk to my man right here. I'm not saying that you're going to get out of trouble. You have to understand that. I'm not promising you anything. But talk to him. He's going to tell me your level of cooperation, and we'll go from there, okay?
Yes, sir.
No, I appreciate it. You want to knock out your supplement real quick?
So you want to go back to the car and get gloves?
Yeah.
Station 5, go ahead.
Yeah, no, my
Both are
computer's not working.
users.
I'm sending
You
you one.
find anything?
You can send me whatever you
We
want.
haven't searched it yet. We're going to go back and grab gloves real
said-
quick. He was just grabbing the information.
I just said both are users.
Oh, okay.
Front passenger was she's a user. She says she's on, what is it that you Sabak to get clean. So I don't know how true that is, but yeah, they're both users. So I'm expecting something. Appreciate it, gentlemen. This is a clusterfuck.
Contrary to the officers' expectations, they couldn't find any substances during the search. It could be that the women were committing retail theft to exchange the items for paraphernalia, but instead got caught in the act.
If it's a newer one, then you have to turn it on. If it's an older one, you know, you can just look at the rollers, you know.
What are some 6 my computer's not working, so can you send me that?